What is up, guys? Matt Palin here, and happy Sunday. And today, I am going to be reviewing my light up Fridget spinner. So here we go. The Fridget spinner, it is black. And also it lights up, and the cap is also black. And this is what it looks like when it spins. When the 1, 2, 3 circle pieces are white. So this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. Really like it. Also, here's the color of it. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. This is pretty cool, and this is what it looks like when it lights up. Pretty cool, really like it. It's pretty good. It does, the colors are when it spins is green, blue, and red, and it's pretty cool, guys. And I really like it. It's really awesome. So you should get this one if you have one. It's really cool. So guys, once again, this was my review of the light up Fridget spinner. So guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See ya.